capital constrained, so we usually had to sell something if we were going to buy something else, and that always makes for, that's an interesting challenge always when you're measuring something you hold against something that has come along and to see which is more attractive. And we probably leaned very much toward things where we felt we were certain to get a decent result than where we were hopeful of getting a brilliant result. That's went with our instincts.
It's the beginning of a new year and the best investment time. What if all you have left is $1,000? Yes, you can multiply it in 2024. Do you want to know how? Ensure you stay tuned to find out. You could leave it in your bank and get a little interest. But then, if you do this, it wouldn't be multiplication because the total interest in a year is small. If you are only looking at bank deposits to produce income, you will become poor over the long term. Inflation will exceed the interest earned, taxable income, so your capital value will decrease in real terms even if you draw zero income. So to start with, you need to invest in yourself. This can be fun if you are focused. All you have to do is learn, adapt, and grow.
Well, I'll give you two pieces of advice. I'd invest as much in myself as you can. I mean, you're your own biggest asset by far. I mean, you've got all kinds of potential. All the people in this room, you're lucky to be in this country, gotten a good education, but most people go through life using up a very, very small part of their potential. And so anything you do that invests in yourself.
Find out what you're passionate about, what you enjoy doing, and love what you do. Investing in yourself may be the most profitable investment you ever make. It yields not only future returns, but often a current payoff as well. The surest way to achieve a better quality of life and be successful, productive, and satisfied is to prioritize investing in personal and professional growth. The effort you put into consistently investing in yourself plays a significant role in determining the quality of your life now and in the future.
The important thing is to be able to define which ones you can come to an intelligent decision on and which ones are beyond your capacity to evaluate. You don't have to be right about thousands and thousands and thousands of companies. You only have to be right about a couple. I met Bill Gates on July 5th, 1991. We were out in Seattle, and Bill said, "You've got to have a computer." And I said, "Why?" And he said, "You can do your income tax on it." I said, "I don't have any income. Berkshire doesn't pay a dividend." He said, "Well, you can keep track of your portfolio." And I said, "I only have one stock." I said, and he says, "It's going to change everything." And I said, "Well, will it change whether people chew gum?" And he said, "Well, probably not." And I said, "Well, will it change what kind of gum they chew?" And I said, "Well, then I'll stick to chewing gum and you stick to computers,
Aside from investing in yourself, you can also consider putting your money into an area where you have a good level of experience. It is the best way to maximize your resources. This is not the best time to carry out trial and error. So now ask yourself, that business that I want to invest in, do I have enough experience in it? If the answer is no, you should discard it for now.
How much do freelancers really make with building apps? Successful freelancers can take rates beyond $100 an hour, and that's a lot more than an employee usually earns. However, you need to consider that freelancers need to spend time to find clients, they need to save their own money for retirement and health insurance, they don't earn anything when being sick or on vacation, and they of course need to pay their own taxes. So all in all, they have much more expenses than an employee has from their net salary. However, if you're committed and work on yourself, you can definitely earn a six-figure salary as a mobile freelancer. But of course, that doesn't happen overnight. Are you a freelancer? Tell us below.
Invest those $1,000 on learning various small gigs for freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Shocked? These platforms pay very well, and you can live a good life with your income from there. You only need to work on various gigs like forms, SEO, content writing, etc. Freelancing platforms are an online marketplace where freelancers can offer services and set their rates. As a freelancer, you can earn money by completing projects for clients and receiving payment for your work. Fiverr charges a commission fee of 20% on each project completed, which means you keep 80% of your earnings. So, the money you can make on Fiverr depends on your skills, rates, and the number of projects you complete. It is also important to note that Fiverr only guarantees a certain income level, and it is up to you to market your services effectively and attract clients. Another best way is to purchase a domain and start blogging. The cost of starting and maintaining a blog can vary greatly depending on several factors, such as the platform you choose, the hosting you opt for, and the level of customization you require. For a basic setup, you can expect to spend anywhere from a few dollars to low hundreds per year, including the cost of a domain name and hosting. Here are some rough estimates for some typical costs associated with starting a blog. Domain name. A domain name can range from $0.99 to $30 per year, depending on the extension and where you purchase it from. Hosting. Hosting costs can range from $3 to $30 per month, depending on the type of hosting, shared, VPS, or dedicated, and the level of resources you need. Blog design. The cost of designing a blog can range from free if you use a pre-made template or a platform that provides one for free, to several hundred or even thousands of dollars if you opt for a custom design. It's essential to remember that these costs are just estimates and can vary greatly depending on your specific needs and preferences. Additionally, as your blog grows and you receive more traffic, you may need to upgrade your hosting and other services to accommodate the increased load. There are several ways to monetize a blog, such as through advertising, sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or selling products and services. The amount of money that can be earned through blogging depends on several factors, such as the niche, the size of the blog, the traffic it receives, and the ability of the blogger to monetize it. Some bloggers can make a full-time living from their blogs, while others may only earn a part-time income. It is important to note that it takes time, effort, and dedication to make money through blogging, and it is not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you are interested in making money through blogging, some resources are available to help you get started, such as books, online courses, and tutorials. Investing in the stock market is also one of the fastest ways to multiply your capital quickly. Of course, you can also lose all your capital if you are yet to learn how to trade by yourself. You can either invest in the stock market or the crypto market. They both have high volatility, which is where the professionals make money. The crypto market is way more volatile than the stock market, and you can lose more money here, but this is where you can make way more money thanks to the same high volatility. Ask anybody out there, and they will tell you the same thing, but you should only think about trading if you know how to. It is better to learn from a professional before trading, or you can invest in some companies and have your profit after some time. There are several companies out there that you can learn from. Keep going if you are worried about not knowing how to trade or the crypto market's high volatility and fluctuations. Just imagine if one knew exactly how the market would be every second. Imagine if you knew when the price of a currency pair would fall or rise, making you profit at all times. There are companies online that can help you with this. You can also start out by trading with dummies. Another best way to multiply your $1,000 is to spend $5 on a mic for YouTube. Take your smartphone and record educational videos. However, there are a few things you need to keep in mind. You need to have the rights to the book. If you don't own the rights to the book, you can't legally record it and make money from it. You need to follow YouTube's copyright policies. YouTube has a set of copyright policies that you need to follow if you want to make money from your videos. These policies include not using copyrighted material without permission and crediting the original author. It would help if you had a large enough audience. The amount of money you make from YouTube depends on how many views your videos get. You will only make money if you have a large enough audience. Here are some tips for making money from recording your book on YouTube. Choose a popular book. The more popular the book, the more likely people will watch your videos. Make high-quality videos. Your videos should be well-produced and engaging. Promote your videos. Share your videos on social media and other online platforms. Be patient. It takes time to build a successful YouTube channel. Don't get discouraged if you don't start making money right away. If you follow these tips, you can make money from recording your book on YouTube. However, it's important to remember that building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. You have to be committed to it. If you consistently provide quality videos over time, your channel will become monetized. The best time to start investing was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. Please subscribe below and let's enjoy the journey together.